Welcome back to californiawoods.com. Today I have some violin Buckeye guitar parts. These right here are cut to 5/8 of an inch thick, random lengths. Look at that, is really cool down there. Once it's all sanded, that figured color is just going to pop like crazy. This piece right here in the middle is number 3 now. This is piece number 4. Number 5 will get 2 sets out of it. That center one's going to have some good color, and the outside's going to be a little more just plain cream. That's set number 5. Set number 6 here, you're only going to get 1. You might be able to get 2, but that's kind of risking it on that one. Number 7 over here. A little bit just a cream color, really nice figure. Those are very flawless ones. So those are sets 1 through 7. Down here we have set number 8 and 9 here. Those are both consecutive cuts. These are not totally dry yet. Sets 8 and 9 are pretty dry. I'd say they're about 10% right now. Here's 10 and 11. Same thing, consecutive sets here. Both of these sheets will give you 2 violins each. So you can see how there's one right in the center, and then you flip it. You flip the book match, and you'll get another one there. You do have a void right there, but the bark's still there, so hopefully that'll stay while it's drying. This is number 11 now. Same thing, 2 sets with that one. Here's number 12, very cream color, but where that template falls out, there's pretty much no voids in it. There's just a stack of 4 book match sets that were a little flawed, too flawed to show in the video. So altogether there's 12 sets here. You got 8 through 9 right here. I'm sorry, 8 through 12 right here. And once again, 1 starts over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there you have it.